Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you can see from the title, I'll be showing you guys how to get your hair looking like this. This wig is from Luvme Hair. They went ahead and sent me a 18-inch body wave 13x4 glueless lace frontal wig, and in today's tutorial, it's just a mini masterclass, okay, on how I get my wig to be glueless, step by step, how I achieve this look. I have not done a talking video in a long time, so I'm so happy and grateful for Luvme Hair, you know, pulling me out my box, telling me, talk girl, say something, and engage. So thank you so much. And this is the finished look. As you guys can see, this lace is everything because it's blending seamlessly with my install, and like I did 2 other times in the video, I'm going to show you guys, it's glueless. It's all the way glueless, okay? She's glueless, she's secured, she's down, and she's melted, okay honey? So if you want to see how I achieved this look, just keep on watching. The links will be in the description box, as well as Luvme's website, the links to this wig, some coupon codes, and all that fun stuff. So without further ado, let's jump into the tutorial. This is my unit from Luvme Hair. What I want to do now is just go ahead and cut off these ear tabs so that way it will match up to my hairline. We are literally glueless. Like, this hairline is down, super secure, so here for this. So now let's jump into actually tinting my lace using my Ruby Kiss foundation in the number 14. As you can see, that's what it looks like, and the number 14. So I'm gonna just take a foundation brush and just stipple it into the product. Just work it in really well. Some people use lace sprays. This is just how I tint my laces. And then what you want to do is just pull that wig back and just stipple that foundation into the lace. Now that we have that seamless perfect match, you guys can actually tell a difference. The lace down here, it matches the skin tone, but it's just a tad bit lighter, but up here it's just darker, blends very well with my forehead. So this is perfect. So now we're just gonna get into cutting the lace. I can either use my tiny scissors or my razor. I prefer the razor, honestly, because I love the jagged lines. Super duper perfect when doing glueless. You don't want a straight line, you definitely need a jagged line. So let's do that. That's what blessings upon me. And send me to tell them a story. That's what blessings upon me. And that's why I'm gonna give him the call. Breathe, I'm in the light. Jah knows me push and ignite. Got the music me excited. Coming like a potion. Blessings all for my life. So as you can see, the lace is blended pretty well, so I'm loving that. But I'm gonna just make sure I reinforce that color with a little bit more, just so that everything blends even better.
My thank God for the journey, the earnings are just for the plus. Yeah. And gratitude is a must. Yeah.
You can see we are 100% glueless. I'm gonna actually take this comb that Luvme sent me, a really thick comb. You know, you just push it all the way in there. It's stuck just like this wig on my head, and boom, right back to being glueless. In order to achieve a super flat wig, what you want to do is actually take any wax stick. I'm just using this one. They sell it in beauty supply stores pretty much all down south. I'm not sure if they sell it like anywhere else, but this is just what I'm using. You can use any wax stick. So just gonna push it up a little bit. I'm gonna start making parts that are about 3.5 inches at a time, or less, depending on how flat I want this wig to get. I'm gonna do that. Boom, boom, boom. And then using my hot comb on 450, I'm gonna just flatten this portion of the wig. And just like that, she's super flat, so I'm gonna continue doing it until I reach to where I want to part my hair.
So we are coming with a force, yes. Blessings we are reaping, we coursing on full. Oh, in a rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life, man. But thank God for the journey, the earnings are just for the plus. Yeah. And gratitude is a must. Yeah, see blessings fall by my right hand. But I goes for the friends that take off. Maybe load one time, then sit down in a class and we pour then police said the road and me go on with the road. Third form is a me tired thing. And you know it formed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with credits I sing, yeah, see me all dig it so get the higher ring like hello brother. Say I just saw you, saw your post the spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. You need a butter, pass through your soul. Yeah, all in a life, man. Me have to thank God for the journey, the earnings are just for the plus. Yeah, and gratitude is a must. Yeah, see blessings fall by my right hand. But I go to the friends where they call me below one time. They sit down in a class and report then police said the road and me go on with it, go on with it. That's how blessings upon me. And send me to tell them a story. That's how blessings upon me. And that's how I mean I give him the top. Breathe, I'm in the light. Jah know say my passion ignited. Got the music me excited. Women like a potion. Blessings all for my life, man. But thank God for the journey, the earnings are just for the plus. Yeah. And gratitude is a must. Yeah. See blessings fall by my right hand. But I goes for the friends but they can't baby load one time. Then sit down in a class and we pour then.
We have a super flat wig, super flat part, nice clean part, and now we are ready to do baby hairs, curling, securing the wig like in the front, that is. So let's get into that portion.
Stallion, you ain't no stable, no, you stay on the run. Ain't on the side, you're number one. Yeah, every time I come around, you get it done. 50-50, all the way you split it. Put a racks up and spin it back. Light a match, get lit it back. The jet set, watch the sunset come. Yeah, yeah. All the nights back in my head, make my toes curl, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yummy. Work my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Any day, yeah, work my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. In the morning or late, yeah, work my way. Standing up, keep me on the rise. Lost control of myself, I'm compromised. You're incriminating, no disguise. And you ain't never running low on supplies. 50-50, all the way you split it. Turn the racks up and spin it back. Light a match, get lit it back. The jet set, watch the sunset come. Yeah, yeah. Pulling eyes back in my head, make my toes curl, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum. You stay flexing on me. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum. We work my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. smile on my face. I'm a lady, that you are my lady. You got the yum, 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 yum. You got the yum, yum, yum. Oh. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, the yummy, yum, the yummy, yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, the yummy, yum, the yummy, yummy. Work, 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 yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Any day, yeah, work, 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 yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. In the morning or late, yeah, work, work, work.
Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I shouldn't. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brown Sugar. See, we been making love constantly, that's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss isn't like any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm missing, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off your love, I don't know how to behave. Brown sugar. To me, you love me right down to my knees, and whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes, even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave. Sugar got me open, now I want some more. Always down for all my nauseous swine, but I think I'm here to solo. Who my niggas don't mind. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this gritty, pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I don't think y'all hit me. Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave.
I am finally done. I did the front curls on camera, the back curls off, and now it's time to just unravel these curls and show you guys the final look. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm actually on time. I actually finished this video on time because I'm heading out to go somewhere right now. But thank you so much for watching. This wig is from Luvme hair, and this was like probably the most in-depth video I've done in a minute. Like step by step, how to do this, do that, breaking it down, talking to you guys about it. So I'm really happy that I did this, because honestly, hair is just the best outlet for me, and this is just me actually being expressive and actually speaking. I love teaching, I love talking to you guys, so this was just like one of the best videos I've made in a long time. So thank you to Luvme hair for pulling me out my box and letting me know, girl, you need to talk in this video, and let them know what you're doing. So here goes, here it is. This is pretty much like a mini masterclass. Like, I'm loving the results right now. I'm gonna just, you know, push this thick comb all the way back here, as you guys can see. Boom, still glueless. So boom, lifting up the lace to show you guys, putting it right back in place, glueless. Like, I am so here for this. I love this wig. It is their 18-inch body wave 13x4 frontal wig, and so here for this. Again, thank you so much to Luvme hair for sending me this gorgeous wig and sponsoring this video. If you would like to purchase, the links will be in the description box below for you to do so. And as always, I will see you all in my next one. Bye, mamas.